Hello, and welcome to Introduction to Web Performance Optimization, or WPO, sometimes called FEO or Front End Optimization, also known as FEA or Front End Acceleration. What is WPO? WPO is focused on web performance. So let's look at that. When we talk about the web, the heart of the web is HTML. And really, WPO, or Web Performance Optimization, takes HTML as a control protocol and looks to optimize it for users. We talk about how do we deliver the HTML and all the resources. We think about where is the latency, where are people waiting to see things on the screen, and where is the user experience non-optimal because it's just too slow. We think a lot about how pages are rendered, what order they're rendered in. Could we render them differently for a better user experience? Often this amounts to some form of compression. Really, we want to send each byte that's required for rendering the page and transition once and only once, and we want to send it in the smallest format possible. When we think of WPO, really we also have to think about measurement. We have to think about timing. If you're going to manage something, you need to measure it. So a big part of web performance optimization is application performance management and knowing just how fast your pages are for all the various users and where your problems are. Traditionally, WPO has been less focused on server optimizations, though we're going to look at some server optimizations in the course. It's been much more focused on client and client-side optimizations. We're really trying to make the client optimized for each page view and really maximize the depth of user experience because you're not waiting for things to render. WPO is principally concerned with how things are rendered and not what is rendered. We're not really looking at what's being sold or what the image contains. We're more interested in when does it display, and is it the smallest it could be, and could it be faster? WPO includes web servers, web server technology, and HTML generation. It includes network download and all the latency that's included in getting the HTML to the client. That includes content delivery networks and all the things that surround caching and geocaching. It's concerned with client rendering, JavaScript rendering, and all the mechanics of the browser and how HTML elements make it onto the screen and in what order. And last but very not least, measurement. You can't manage what you can't measure, and there's a big focus on data-driven optimization, and measuring how fast your pages render for users is a big part of WPO.